Hi, I'm Pagata12 and today we play with this 0-1 diagonal, and this type of texture is very important in pixel computation, and we use it in a previous tutorial, Elastic Grid, and we did it with a matte round right after the ramp radial. However, if you're using Mac, you might get into this output, which Florian and I were trying to figure it out, but yeah, luckily we have TD guys here, and they cleared this up. So it is because of this round matte, and on Mac it gives some random outputs, and so today I will show you how to make a similar texture without using matte round. So let's start. Okay, so let's start clean. And first idea is maybe we use a rectangle, and let's set this 16 by 16 and nearest pixel 32 mono. We don't need the anti-alias, okay? And so size on X it's 1, 0.5 it's good. We drag size on Y into center Y and divide it by 2. And yeah, we have this texture, and then we can go with a transform and rotate 45. Let's set this to nearest. Okay, and now in second tab we go with hold, and we have pretty much the same. We only need this white half to start a pixel above, and we can use maybe level and invert those two. Okay, and then a flip. And we go flip X, flip Y, and now we good. Remember, in a plexus we put two textures like this, and so the middle diagonal, that single line, it's 0 sometimes, and yeah, we need to take either top half or bottom half. So this can be a way to go, and yeah, once you are here, you can use transform and translate with 1 pixel, and so yeah, we get the same result. And let's name this rotate. Oh, and this translate. And what if we switch those two? So let's have them here, okay? And what if we switch them? We go with translate first and then rotate. Now, you notice here, down here, we have 2 empty pixels, 2 0 pixels instead of 1. And you can adjust this by changing the pivot, okay? And you're good, but yeah, I would like to take another case in which maybe it's much easier to get used with this pivot, okay? So we don't want to actually adjust anything. In this case, we are good on 16 by 16, but in a moment we change 64 to 64. Almost sure we're gonna lose this, okay? So For this I will try a different approach. So I need a constant. Okay, so I will connect this rectangle input, and so I'll have 32 mono and 16 by 16. And now I translate. Actually, I can copy this. Okay, so I translate everything with a pixel to the top, and now I use rotate. Okay, so let's see the pivot. Let's set the pivot to 0 and 0, and we have those 2 pixels. The moment we change here, okay, we correct. Now, what's the precise value here? It's the actually it's the width of the pixel. So the width of the pixel, it's 1 divided by the resolution. In this case, we have 16 pixels, and we say 1 divided by 16. That is the width, okay? And we need to take half of it. It's like my pivot for rotation would be the center of this pixel right here. So let's go with this. We drag the resolution from here, we drag it here in both pivots. So now we go 1 divided by and 1 divided by, okay? And we are not finished yet, so we need to divide by 2, so we take half of it, okay? Okay, and now we are good. And let's find a different method starting from here. So I'm thinking to displace each column with a higher value, and that means I need to displace with a ramp. So let's have a ramp. Okay, and let's grab the 16 resolution. Here we go the resolution by 1, nearest pixel, and 32 mono. Okay, and yeah, let's go with displace. Okay, we have something. It's not actually good, and let's see. So we need to displace only on y-axis. So for the horizontal, we can take none here, and vertical, it's either good blue or red, as the input it's monochrome, so all red, green, blue would be the same. But let's pick red. Okay, so the source midpoint for y, it's 0. Okay, and let's have on this hold. Let's try this 0. Okay. So what if we use a math here and we just multiply with divided by 2. Okay, so now we have this texture. It seems like it's upside down. Okay, and yeah, we can go here with minus, for example, and now we're good. And yeah, these are maybe 4 methods that you can go when making this type of texture. So this was my tutorial. I really hope you like this, and thank you so much for your support. See you in the next one. Bye.